frames on the wall here. That looks cool. Great seeing this up close. Good morning. Today we are in Kensington and off to the Design Museum for the new Tim Burton exhibition. Surprisingly enough, I am a huge Tim Burton fan, so very much looking forward to seeing screen use items, those early sketches of films that we now well know and love. So come along with me. To add, Kensington Halloween decorations are literally amazing. Very good.
What I realize now, maybe because I'm older as well, it's like, okay, I'm just going to do what I want, and if you want to do it, fine. If not, then you don't have to go on this journey with me.
Oh, here we go. It's Frankenweenie. Originally a short black and white movie with the kid actor from Neverending Story before it was turned into a stop motion. Some original sketches. This is amazing. Tim Burton actually worked on this when Disney told him his drawings weren't good enough for the Black Cauldron. Is that what that Disney movie's called? So he worked on his Frankenweenie short.
You're alive! Sparky! You're alive!
There we go. I think this was filmed in London, actually, East London. Look at that. Great to see this up close. Oh, look. I see the OG.
He is alive, just like we said.
Grab a hold, my boy!
These guys. Oogie boogie.
Now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman.
Treeless.
Goodbye, Jack. My dearest Jack.
Back of the mayor there and all his many faces. Amazing. We have some of the original sketches. Mr. Burton. Wow, look at that. Sketches of the land entrance. Oh, look. Sally's sketch. That just on a cheap notepad. Santa and Jack. Zero. Storyboard in here. Just a Oogie Boogie sketch. A nude potato sack-like ghost filled with snakes, spiders, bugs, etc. that create independently moving bulges in his body. Wow. Some bit of prologue there. Into his paintings. Tim's inspiration here. The old monster movies. Series of napkin drawings here. Mars Attacks. These dudes. I always feel like these guys are huge because of the movie. Well, you know, not huge, but definitely bigger than that. Oh, look. It's a Catwoman suit.
Gotta go. Girl talk.
Amazing. Man. Just trying to get around here before the crowd behind me comes in. Sleepy Hollow. Just seen in a corner of my eye.
What happened to you?
Countless times I've watched this. It's so great seeing this up close. Part of my childhood. Oh, look, it's the machines. Pastry cutters. Some original sketches as well. Just gotta love this style. The Oompa Loompas. My kids would love to see these. It's their favourite Wonka film. So they grew up with the original one. Joker sketches. Look, some first Penguin sketches here. Loving the new show right now. Believe the hype, it's real. Yes. Wow. Iconic. Design in the Batmobile. First modelling. Still keeps the same style of sketching before production. Same style of paper, so it's not a case of it's just what you had to hand at the time. This is how Tim creates these worlds. All building sketches to the final product. Okay. I just love how popular Wednesday is. More Burton fans being made every day. Oh wow, what's this? Cool. It is. Oh, it's the Superman Lives. The Nicolas Cage Superman movie that never was. Brainiac. Original sketches. Well, they made a documentary about it. Strongly recommend you check it out if you're a fan. Oh, these were an art exhibition in New York. So, come on. But it looks like a gallery within itself. Some brains in the wall here. Hi, you all right?
Yeah, these are taken by Burton.
Oh, okay, amazing.
So this is all his.
Oh, it's all his photography work.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Yeah. Sounds they put in here as well. Should be picking that up. Oh, this is a bit confusing. I can see myself there. I'm walking into a mirror. Oh, wow, look at this. Alien series. The Carousel. That looks cool. Wow. Tim Burton and Alexander McQueen work with each other. I mean, it makes perfect sense for the star. I think Mrs. T would approve of me wearing something like that. School pickup. Corpse Bride. Amazing.
A tragic tale of romance, passion, and a murder most foul.